Your word, O YaHUaH, is like a burning fire. Cause us to hear. Prepare our hearts before entering the prayer chamber, before stepping beneath the tent. There is a fire to be felt, not a strange fire, not a fire of our own kindling, but the presence of YaHUaH, a consuming fire. And there, before we speak, before we ask, before we take another step, we feel the weight of His presence. And the still small voice of YaHUaH causes me to cover myself, to wrap my face in a mantle, to stand low before Him, to remember I am approaching the Kadosh One. I will not draw near yet. Cleanse me, O Yah. Search what is within me before I come further. Wash what clings to me from yesterday, the thoughts I carried, the ways I justified, the things I did not lay down. Let nothing unclean enter within me. Let nothing proud remain hidden. Gather me, O Yah. Bring my heart low before I draw near. And remind me of the brit, for your name's sake, O YaHUaH. Not because I have kept it perfectly, but because I do not want to forget again. I do not want to turn aside. I do not want to be drawn away. I do not want to forsake what you have spoken. Call me back to the foot of the mountain, to remembrance before you, and you only, O YaHUaH, do I bow. Hineni Abba, before the sunrise, before the day speaks into me, before anything claimed my mind. I am here early, wanting to be found waiting, wanting to be found ready, wanting to stand where your daughters stood covered, listening, near. And now, for your name's sake, turn my heart toward Chokhmah. Let me dwell in her tent until I am made ready to stand before you, walking in the derech that leads me near to YaHUaH. I long for her to become worthy of her way, to walk in her path, to meet her in every thought that rises within me. She meets those who prepare. For the beginning of Chokhmah is the desire of discipline. Cause me to hear her call. Let me no longer despise discipline when it is your care forming me. Discipline is her beginning, and discipline is care. and care is love. Love is not just words. Love keeps. Love guards. Love rocks in what has been spoken. Even when my heart grows tired, let me remain faithful, keeping, guarding, walking. Bring me near, O Abba, in the path of wisdom, to long for her, to accept discipline, to keep her throat, to be made incorruptible, and to be brought near, to be able to come before you, O Yah, early, covered, cleansed, remembering, longing for chokhmah, receiving discipline, keeping her ways, that I might be made incorruptible and brought near. Before I enter the tent, before I lift my voice, let me be made ready for your name's sake. Chokhmah, lead me until I am brought near to YaHUaH in Yahushua HaMashiach. Selah.